I don't know how many times I've survived without telling anyone. I don't know how many times I've made it this far. How many times I've gotten up in the morning. And how many times I've smiled at the world while telling them I'm okay. But all I can say is that I'm very proud of myself for surviving the days that I thought I couldn't, and for making it this far in life. And I hope you too could be proud of yourself.
Nice. Aroy, dapat ka lang sakto kang dress mo. Wait lang. Oh, wait lang. Hindi yung pagkain. Wait lang. Wait. Ay, nako. Hindi ko makita yung